Sana Enhle has a huge surprise for Musa Mseleku, as well as her biological mother. When we say Mamkhumalo, she did a great job when it comes to raising Enhle. This is what we are talking about. Girl, what is going on it there at Mzumbe? Anyway, guys, before we get to start of today, know the rest of the house is someone and Pins and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. We all know that we are left with just 10 days to enter to 2025. So please don't do something that you regret later or something that we might not see you in 2025. Please, in a festive season, you need to be very careful. Let's get to enter, guys. Mamkhumalo must be proud when she sees this. Probably she's seen it. So this is right to enter posted on her Instagram story. She later delayed. I don't know why, but this is a huge achievement. As you can see there, it is the final results. Bachelor of, she didn't mention her degree. They did mention her degree. And isn't gonna September season 2. I don't remember. I'm sorry, guys. Semester 2024 degree complete, as you can see there. She even went on to say that what a wonderful God we serve. She also posted a mini video, people graduating, guys. Congratulations to Enhle. We wish you nothing the best at the age of 22. Next year she's turning 23 years old. Obviously she will try to get a job or something. Maybe she will join Mamkhumalo or join her for the company. We don't know, but what we can say, she is done. I still remember Awonga, she once said we were all given the same opportunity, and some of us, we use that opportunity, and this is what we are talking about. Guys, one thing I've noticed is that it is easy for Mamkhumalo to raise Enhle because Enhle, she's also a great child. Although they do have their own different argument there and there, but one thing about Mamkhumalo and Enhle, you will never separate these two. And Mamkhumalo, she's been doing a great job in making sure that Enhle gets whatever she wants. I remember when Mpumelelo and Lwandle were getting cars from Mseleku, people were like, we are not worried about Enhle. We know that Mamkhumalo, she will do something great for Enhle. Guys, Enhle, she's really a good child. That Rhino Mseleku has mentioned so many times to a point where some people were saying that she's jealous of Enhle, while Mseleku is saying that Enhle needs to lead by example. As you can see there, she's leading by example. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care.